Searching for the best tailgate light bar feels like picking between identical twins. Same 60-inch length, same red brake lights, same no drilling claims. But here's what they don't show you. Some burn out in months, others can't handle rain, and a few don't even work with your truck's wiring. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Nilite 60 Single Row. Let's start with the Nilite 60-inch tailgate light bar. This is one of the most popular budget options out there at just $25.67. What caught my eye was its 108 LED single row design and the fact that over 1,000 people bought it last month. If you want a simple, affordable upgrade that adds visibility without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those 108 LEDs shine 35% brighter than standard chips, so cars behind you will definitely see your brake and turn signals, even in heavy traffic or fog. It runs on 12V, fits almost any truck or SUV, and comes with IP67 waterproofing, meaning it'll survive rain, snow, and dirt. Plus, the adhesive enhancer holds up to 5x stronger than regular tape, so you don't need to drill holes. Installation is plug-and-play with a standard 4-pin connector, and it even works as RV awning or party lighting. Now, some people complained about the single-row design not being as bright as triple-row bars, and honestly, that's fair. In direct sunlight or from far away, it's not the most intense glow, but for daily driving and basic safety, it's more than enough. And at this price, you're getting solid performance without risking much. This is perfect for you if you drive a pickup or SUV and want an easy, no-fuss lighting upgrade under $30. Skip this one if you frequently haul at night or want maximum brightness for highway driving. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 2, Nan Poku Triple Row 60. Next up, the Nan Poku 60-inch triple row light bar at $26.96. Basically the same price as the Nilite, but with way more LEDs. With 432 SMD chips, it claims to be 300% brighter than single or double rows. If you want serious visibility without paying premium prices, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you. Triple row design means light spreads wider and hits harder, so drivers behind you won't miss your brake, reverse, or turn signals even at high speeds. It covers all 5 functions: running red, bright brake red, amber turn signals, white reverse, and even emergency strobe mode. The IP67 rating means it's sealed against water and dust, and the self-adhesive tape holds strong. Installation is no drill, just peel and stick, though some trucks may need decoding. Check your model before buying. Now the flaw, it can only show one function at a time, so if you brake while turning, the turn signal cuts out and it goes full red. A few users mentioned this confused drivers behind them. Also, the plug is a basic 4-pin, so if your truck uses a 7-pin setup, you'll need an adapter. This is perfect for you if you want maximum brightness on a budget and don't mind the single-function limitation. Skip this one if you often brake and turn simultaneously or have a newer truck with complex wiring. Still, for under $27, it's hard to beat. Product number 3, AMEXMART 60 Sequential. Now, if the Nan Poku single-function issue bothered you, the AMEXMART 60-inch bar takes a smarter approach at $48.79. It features sequential turn signals like high-end cars and improved brake flashing. If you want a more modern, eye-catching look with better safety cues, this one steps up. Plus, the brake light has a quick flash before staying solid, great for alerting distracted drivers. With 432 LEDs in triple row and IP68 waterproofing, it's built to last over 50,000 hours. Installation is plug-and-play with included screws and clips, though you must avoid bending the strip. The downside, it's picky about wiring. If you're using a 7-pin connector with a 4-pin adapter, it might not work unless you get a special reverse wire harness. A few buyers had to return it because of compatibility issues with newer trucks. This is perfect for you if you want premium features like sequential signals and don't mind checking your truck's wiring first. Skip this one if you're not comfortable troubleshooting electrical connections. For the extra $20 over budget options, you get smarter lighting, and that's worth it. Product number 4, Nilite 48 Triple Row. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for smaller trucks. The Nilite 48-inch triple row at $56.49. It's shorter but packs 360 LEDs and sequential strobe effects. If your tailgate is under 60 inches or you want tighter focused lighting, this is the move. Here's why this matters. The 48-inch size fits mid-size trucks like the Toyota Tacoma or Chevy Colorado perfectly, no overhang or wasted space. The sequential amber turn signals and strobe brake mode add a premium feel, and the IP67 rating ensures durability. Installation is peel and stick with optional screws, and it works on most 12V vehicles. Nilite also includes a 2-year warranty, which is rare at this level. The flaw, it's not 60 inches. If you have a full-size truck like an F-150 or Ram, this will look too short and leave gaps. Also, some users said the adhesive weakened in extreme heat, so you might need extra brackets. This is perfect for you if you drive a smaller truck or want a cleaner, proportional fit. Skip this one if you have a wide tailgate, go for the 60-inch version instead. For compact trucks, it's a smart, stylish upgrade. Product number 5, Opt7 Redline Parlux. Finally, the Opt7 Redline Parlux at $120.70. This is the luxury pick. It's not just bright, it's built like a tank with a rigid aluminum frame and a reverse launch sequence that flashes 3 times before staying on. If you want top-tier performance and don't mind the price, this is it. Here's why this matters. The aluminum body dissipates heat better than plastic, so LEDs last longer. The reverse sequence is genius. It grabs attention before you back up, reducing accidents. It's IP67 rated, works down to -20 degrees F, and has sequential turn signals. But and this is big, it only works with specific Opt7 harnesses. Newer F-150s, Silverados, and Rams need add-on kits sold separately, which can push the total cost over $150. The flaw, compatibility is complicated. This is perfect for you if you own a compatible truck and want the best visibility and build quality. Skip this one if you're on a budget or drive a newer model without the right harness. When it works, it's unbeatable, but only if you do your homework. So which one should you buy? The Nilite 60 single row is the best budget pick under $30. The Nan Poku triple row gives you max brightness for the same price. The AMEXMART adds smart features like sequential signals for under $50. The Nilite 48 is ideal for smaller trucks. And the Opt7, it's the premium choice if your truck supports it. Pick based on your size, budget, and wiring setup. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.